Welcome back to Raching Cars, your ultimate destination for modern automotive reviews. Today, we're diving deep into the modern modified 2026 Volvo XC90, a luxurious, future-ready SUV that blends Scandinavian elegance with high-performance innovation. From the outside, the XC90 impresses with a bolder, more sculpted front fascia featuring a redesigned chrome-accented grille, sleeker Thor's hammer LED headlamps, and a dynamic bumper design that enhances aerodynamics while maintaining Volvo's signature look. The side profile showcases 21-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels, flared arches, and blacked-out pillars, giving it a sporty yet refined appeal, while the rear is upgraded with a full-width LED light bar, integrated twin exhaust tips, and a more angular tailgate. Step inside, and the cabin is a masterpiece of luxury and technology. The dashboard features a full-width wood veneer panel with ambient lighting flowing seamlessly into a 15-inch vertical OLED infotainment display powered by Google's next-gen Android Automotive OS. The digital driver cluster is now a 12.9-inch adaptive display with 3D navigation and real-time driving feedback. The seats are wrapped in premium Nappa leather with integrated massage, heating, and cooling features. The second and third rows offer ample legroom and recline functions, making long journeys feel effortless. The panoramic roof extends across all rows, bringing natural light and a premium sense of space. Under the hood, the 2026 XC90 packs a punch with its twin-motor electric setup delivering 536 horsepower and 800 Nm of torque, achieving 0 to 100 km/h in just 4.8 seconds. It's powered by a 111 kWh battery with a WLTP range of up to 620 km, and supports ultra-fast charging, giving 80% charge in just 28 minutes. The air suspension system with adaptive dampers ensures a silky smooth ride even on rough terrains. Safety, as always with Volvo, is top-notch, featuring Volvo's new Guardian AI, which offers predictive collision avoidance, biometric driver monitoring, and 360-degree radar lidar fusion for ultimate situational awareness. This modern modified 2026 Volvo XC90 is not just an SUV, it's a statement of sophistication, power, and futuristic design. With every component crafted to perfection, it stands tall in the luxury electric SUV segment. That's all for today's in-depth review on Raching Cars. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more high-tech car reviews and automotive news. See you in the next ride.